Hello my materialistic minions, welcome to my messy office. In today's video we are going to be getting rid of this ridiculous chair. It's stained, it squeaks, and also it doesn't have a very high back. And so in today's video we're actually going to be demonstrating this fantastic office chair. Now before you actually buy this, I want to communicate to you how difficult or easy it is to actually put together. First of all, first impressions, when you first open it up, you will see that yes, it has absolutely all of the gear that you need, including the little hex Allen key right there. So you don't even need to buy extra tools to put this together. So let's go ahead and open this up together, shall we? Pay no attention to this little blow-up pink elephant outfit. That's actually for the elephant car wash. Yes, I have actually done videos for them. And you're simply going to be putting each of these legs onto the star. You'll see that a hole aligns with the hole on the star, at which point we will be putting a Allen nut in, a screw into each one of those. Oh, I'm looking for one more. And you will see that they are nice enough to actually include an extra little screw. And so don't be alarmed. Usually a lot of these companies give an extra screw. Now you're going to get each of these little casters, these wheels, and you're going to pop them in to each of these legs. Now you're going to get this little piston. It's very burly, feels like a part in a Star Wars droid's setup. You're just going to put it right into the top. The cool thing about this packaging is it actually says what each of these little parts is for. So for example, these screws right here are for the backrest / armrests. So you're just going to pop that one open and you're going to get one of these screws like this on your tool, and then you are going to get one of the armrests and you're going to situate it onto there. It's pretty self-explanatory because it only fits in one way like this. And then on this end, you're going to be putting one of these washers. It's kind of a thick plastic washer on there, at which point then you're going to get the screw that we talked about earlier and you're just going to put it in like so. The nice thing also about this setup is that they require minimal screws. It's not like IKEA where you got to put like 50 screws into one thing. No, it's just one screw, and look at that, it's in already. Now, when you get your armrests, you are going to be situating it on the left-hand side, like so, and you will see that it aligns perfectly with the side of the backrest, just like this. And then you're going to be attaching that armrest to the backrest using just one screw in the back. Get your seat cushion and find the front, as indicated by the little sticker that says front. You're going to be facing that away from you. Put it on top of the shipping container or carton. Now we're going to get our whole setup that we just assembled and we're going to put it on top right here. There will be 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, which you're going to use to screw the upside down, in this particular case, upside down backrest to the seat cushion. Don't forget to use the little washer, which that is going to thread onto the longer of the screws. Pops it right into the top. Time to put this entire assembly onto the little mechanism that you push the button and it makes you go forward and back. I don't know what this is called. Now this is very key. You will see on this little mechanism an imprinted front right at the top. It's where this knob is. So that front aligns with the front of your cushion. That's very key. Otherwise, you're going to be going front and back and that's going to be all reversed. The last and final thing is to take this giant contraption and we are going to put it right onto here. Now the moment of truth, I'm going to put my life on the line so that you don't have to. Oh, that's comfortable. Oh, that's smooth. Let's see how many times we can go around. All right, you can see that I can go back and forth. Let's listen for any kind of squeaks. Nope. This can go up so I can get out, or this can go up also. Oh, that is cool. And let's go ahead and test this going up. Oh, it does. And wait for it to go down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's comfortable. Oh, that's very comfortable. We got the back lumbar support, And if you look closely, it's got this strange little thing. I don't have no idea why there's a polished mirror on the back there and there, but okay, we're just going to, oh, it can actually adjust the lumbar support. So when I'm pushing this, it's actually pushing the back support out. Oh, that is cool. So there you go. The entire installation of putting this thing together, that is classy and comfortable.